Today we're going to dermaplane, and you may have two main questions. What's the best way to dermaplane, and why should we dermaplane? Probably not in that order though. The thing that I like to use the most for dermaplaning is a Tinkle razor. It's super easy to use, they're inexpensive, you use them a few times and you toss them. There are several reasons why. One, I don't like the peach fuzz on my face. It gets super thick over here. I don't like the way it looks. I don't like the way it feels. When I wear foundation, my foundation looks better when I don't have that clinging to my hairs on my face. The reason I started using it in my 40s is because it exfoliates. With the exfoliation, my skin looks a little more alive, a little more vibrant, a little less dull. Now let's go back to what I say is the easiest way to dermaplane, and that's a Tinkle razor. So you will be surprised when I found this. It has a little Tinkle razor. I guess they teamed up with Epielle to make this little dermaplaning box, and hip hip hooray, I'm excited to try it. It's 6 total steps and we're gonna do them all right now. Comes in this adorable little box. Each thing is labeled with your steps and instructions right here. This is an oil to foam cleanser. You're gonna have to excuse me. I'm gonna have to be looking at myself in the camera because I know this is crazy, but I cannot find a mirror. A portable mirror. It does not pour out easily and you cannot squeeze it. If you have mobility issues with your hand, I do not recommend the foam cleanser. You put it on dry skin. You just have to shake it, I guess. It smells like flowers. I wouldn't say it's my favorite scent, but it smells like a very fragrant perfume that's just made out of flowers. You add water, warm water to it, it turns into a foam. See, foams right up. I love an oil to foam cleanser. I love the way the oil feels on my face. I love the way it keeps my face feeling moisturized after I'm done using it. That's the best part about these oil cleansers. Okay, let's move on to step 2. Step 2 is a multi-balm. We put this balm across our face. It's supposed to help the Tinkle razor to glide more evenly. This smells mostly like chapstick or, maybe a crayon. I love this. I be using this all the time. Putting that right underneath my eyes. That is nice. It's a very waxy feeling. At the same time, it is moisturizing my skin. My skin is soaking it in. That's nice. We're gonna get that neck. I'd grow a beard if I wasn't careful. I don't know why I almost grow a beard in my 50s. Really delightful. I love this. The razor is really pretty. It's this shiny purple. And now we begin. Typically, you're supposed to go in the direction of hair growth, but it's up to you how you do it. If you're not doing it at the sink, have a little towel handy to wipe the peach fuzz. And obviously, in this case, the balm. That is gliding quite nicely, I will say. With the Tinkle razors, they almost never cut you. I found that they are super, super safe. It might surprise you to know that it's almost impossible to do this with the camera. I went and did this in the mirror. I cut my forehead. I've never cut myself with the Tinkle razor before, so I don't know. Is this thing extra sharp? I really don't know. It's sharp. The lid clips on quite nicely with the little button, and it doesn't come off. So you can put it in your drawer and it's safe. This thing is sharp. Totally user error, not the device's fault. My neck is red because my neck always gets red when I do anything to it. My face is a little red. After you do it, it does sting in some areas. No big deal. And of course, if you cut yourself, that'll sting for a little while longer. When you're using this, you've got to make faces like this. This is the face that gets it there. And if you're going to do your ears, you got to lift your ear up, continuing to make the face. When you're doing your lips, you got to do this. And of course, you got to get that, so you got to go. That's free of charge, that advice. The next step is the toner pad. You use the first one to gently sweep across your face. There are 2 in the package. Hope it doesn't burn. Doesn't burn. Not even on that little boo-boo I have. Okay, it burns a little bit on the boo-boo, but it's very, very mild. You're supposed to use both sides of the pad, so let's do it twice. This smells like almost nothing. I can't smell anything from it. It is very soothing. It really is quite soothing. Then you're supposed to do the second pad. It's nice. I really like this. I would buy this toner. This is very moisturizing. Both sides of the pad. My face is totally soothed now. No exaggeration. The next step is this soothing mask. My face already feels great. I am not exaggerating when I say that toner made my face totally stop burning. It just feels wonderful. Now we're gonna put the mask on, leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes. Filled with juice. The whole thing is filled. There's a ton more in here. Very, very slimy. The mask itself is thin, but it's filled to overflowing with serum. Serum is just dripping off of it. And there's a ton of serum left. So you can rub that over your whole body. That's how much is left. This gets rubbed in. Look, no redness left. My skin feels soft and smooth and moisturized. It's great. The last step is a serum. I would say this is unscented. If there's a scent, it's very lightly floral. You don't even need this. There's still so much serum left from the mask. I loved that. Like I said, I have dermaplane before lots of times. I've never looked at it like a spa time to just do this beautiful like 30-minute procedure. It's quite lovely. Some of this stuff is one-time use, the mask and the toner, but you can buy those things separately. And these are of course smaller sizes, but you can easily get 2 or 3, possibly more uses out of the small sample sizes. And then you can buy the parts that you like. I love this. It was very spa-like, very decadent. And I will definitely be replacing the toner. We'll see about the other things after I've used it a few more times, but I am buying that toner. This product and all the full-size products will be linked for you. If you go down to the description box, everything you'll need will just open right into the Amazon app. You can purchase the kit and get to try all the things and see what you think about it, or you can purchase each of the things individually. I think it's worth it to buy the kit. It will also make a lovely gift at Christmas time. Wrap that up, put a little bow on it, fabulous. And really, let's get a close-up look of my face. I think pretty great. Look, even my neck's looking a little better. Lovely. Just lovely. Be sure to subscribe for more beauty tests.